So Galaxy Unpacked just happened, and gotta say I'm very fascinated by all the new devices and their capabilities. And in this video we're going to talk about the main highlight of the Galaxy Unpacked, which is the brand new Samsung Galaxy Note20 Ultra. And to be honest, it looks much better in real life, and you can say it as a much refined and better version of S20 Ultra. And no, I'm not talking about the Galaxy Note 20, which that is the base model. It will be getting its own video because I'm pretty disappointed with it. So as of the unboxing, if you buy the retail package, this is what you'll get. When you'll unbox it, first thing you'd get would be your device wrapped in plastic. Then you'd get 25-watt super fast charger to juice it up quickly. You'll also get this black box which includes some quick start guide and a SIM ejection pin. Then you'd get a Type-C to Type-C cable for charging it up, and some really good quality Type-C earphones by AKG, and also some ear tips. The design of it is very impressive. It is coming in 3 colors: Mystic White, Mystic Black, and my personal favorite, Mystic Bronze with a matte finish. There is a big camera bump on the back housing triple cameras with 108 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultrawide camera, and 12 megapixel periscope camera with 50x max zoom. And yes, there is no 100 times space zoom like on the S20 Ultra. And there is another sensor, which is the Laser Autofocus sensor, which solves the autofocus problem like we had on S20 Ultra, and it really makes that autofocus blazing fast. The camera quality of it is incredible. Here are some samples of it, and I gotta say, it is really good. It has great dynamic range, it is really detailed, and its image quality is miles better than that of S20 Ultra. Night photos are also beautiful. They are absolutely phenomenal, and I'm astonished by it. As on the front, there is a 6.9-inch giant display with an incredible screen to body ratio. It is 120Hz AMOLED panel. It is an adaptive one, meaning that it will save a lot of battery despite being a high refresh rate one. And speaking of battery, it has 4500 mAh battery, which according to Samsung would perform even better than 5000 mAh battery of S20 Ultra. And plus, it is the first phone in the world to come with Gorilla Glass 7, meaning that it would be more durable than normal flagship phones. And as of the specs, it has 12 gigs of RAM, UFS 3.1 storage, still a microSD card slot, Snapdragon 865 Plus or Exynos 990 chipset. Yep, there is no Exynos 992 as we've seen on the leaks. And for those who you don't know, the Exynos 990 is inferior to Snapdragon 865 Plus whilst being at the same price. But Samsung claims that it has some new cooling systems in the Exynos model, and it matches the performance of Snapdragon 8 variant. But let me tell you, if you really want to spend $1300 on this phone, which is its official price by the way, then at least buy the Snapdragon variant or just import it from a country. This is what I advise you. But still, Exynos 990 is not that bad, but in fact it is really powerful, but it is that it doesn't quite match the performance of Snapdragon variant. Also, it has some brand new features too. And lastly, the S-Pen now has only 9 millisecond delay instead of 26 millisecond. What that means is that it would almost feel like you're writing with an actual pencil, and it is a serious rival to Apple Pencil having the same 9 millisecond delay. So to sum it all up, Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is a robust device with incredible features and a big price tag, and if you can afford it, you must go for it. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe with the bell icon and drop a like if you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.